Hey guys, today I am going to build some farm animals using clay, and there's different colors, and let me show you what's around the box. So I think this is a picture.
So what kind of animals can you make from the clay?
A cow, a horse, a sheep, a rabbit, and a pig, and a dog.
Oh, okay. And which animal are you making today?
The rabbit and the horse.
The rabbit and the horse. Okay. Shall we start? Shall we open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And so now we go clay and this.
Open it.
I think this is for the dots and lines, I think. And let me get the clay out. So we need blue, white, red and black. Okay, let's start making. First, let's do the rabbit. Okay, first you need to download the Clay app, and it gives you instructions to make it. And you need to press the animal you're making, and then you start building your animal.
Okay. So you want to start it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's first?
First you need to rub the body.
So you want to make it into a ball?
Okay, first I'm moving it into a bowl. Now this is a body into a bowl. Next we're going to do the next part. Oh, that's the body.
Okay, so you have to make the body into that shape.
Now we're going to do the next part of the body. Okay.
So now you're making the ears. So put the body upside down. Body like that. That's the body. Okay. Then you have to make two balls, two small balls to make the ears, it says.
Okay. Now we've done the ears, and then we're going to do the next part of the body.
Okay, so you rub the ears to make them long. So you have to make two long ears out of these ones, okay?
Like this.
Yeah, good job.
Now we've done the ears, and then we're going to do the next part of the body.
Oh, so you have to squash them. Can you squash that? Good one.
Body.
Oh, so you stick the ears onto the rabbit. Can you do that? So one ear.
2 ears.
2 ears. Very good.
Now we're going to do the next part.
The muzzle. So it looks like you have to make a white nose. You get the white clay.
Now we made the muzzle nose. Now we're going to do what's next.
Okay, you pinch it until you make it a long bit.
Now here's the muzzle. Now we're going to do what's next.
Okay, use the pen. Is that the whiskers?
I don't know. Now we've done the whiskers and nose. Now we're going to do what's next.
Okay, so we're gonna stick it on. We're gonna stick it on the rabbit, like that.
The ears are covering.
Yeah, just lift the ears up a little bit. Yeah.
Like this. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
Amazing!
Cool. What's next?
Let's put snakes now.
Okay, now you have to do the eyes, it says. So we're gonna make 2 small balls, white balls.
Now we've done the eyes, and now we're gonna see what's next.
So you make 2 dots in the eyes. Good job. We have to put the eyes on the bunny now. One eye.
Eye. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
Amazing!
Cool. Okay, what's next?
Now let's see what's next.
Pupils. So you're gonna make even smaller black dots.
That's one.
Got it? Nice one. Okay, what's next? Okay, you're gonna stick the eyes, the black dots, onto the white eyes.
That's one. And that's two. Now this is what it looks like.
Amazing!
Cool. Okay, let's look at what's next.
Now let's look what's next with the boy.
Okay, so you're gonna make a nose. So you're gonna make a small red dot now with a red clay.
Now let's see what's next with the body.
You're gonna rub it to make a nose shape. Yeah, okay. Nice one. Let's see what's next. Now we're gonna put it press it. Okay. Nice one. Now let's see what's next. Now we're gonna put it on the rabbit nose.
Okay, now I'll show you what it looks like.
Amazing!
Cool. Okay, the paws. So it says to make
Blue.
2 blue circles. That's 1. And 2. Good job. See what's next? Okay, you rub it so that it makes that shape.
Like a rabbit shape. I mean, like a carrot shape.
Like a rabbit arms.
It's one.
That's 1. Okay, now you put its underneath, so its legs. One leg.
Two legs.
2 legs. Okay, you want to show us what it looks like?
Amazing!
Cool. Okay, what's next? Now we're gonna make 2 more paws, it looks like. So get 2 more blue circles. Yeah, okay, what's next? Now you're gonna rub them to make that shape.
Again. Sorry, rabbit.
Okay, so you make little paws. Okay, you gotta put it on.
This is what it looks like, and then we're gonna make the tail.
Amazing!
Okay.
Now let's put the tail on.
I'm gonna make the teeth. Let's squash it. Yeah, next. And we're gonna cut it.
Cut it.
Oh, just make a dent so that it looks like
Make a line.
make a line.
No.
So it looks like two teeth. Good job. And then next. And you put the teeth on the face.
The rabbit is ready.
Can I have a look?
Yeah.
Amazing!
This is the body. And these are the legs and arms.
Mm-hmm.
And
The ears.
the ears.
Mm-hmm. And the eyes.
And the eyes. And the whiskers.
Mm-hmm. And the nose.
Yeah, and the nose.
And the mouth.
And the
The teeth. And the
tail.
tail. Okay, show me. Can I have a look at it? And I'll compare it to what it looks like on the box. So this one's Audrey's. And this is what it looks like on the box.
Right there.
Pretty good.
And that's neat.
Good job.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video with clay animals, and we're going to make a horse. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in part 2.